Hello. Namaste and welcome to my channel. So, in this video I will be showing a desktop application which I have named Password Protection, which is developed using Visual Basic version 6.0. The main objective of this application is to save the emails and passwords and make them easily accessible to only the authorized user. With easy use of objects and random access file handling, this project can be beneficial for the beginner like me who loves to build many but useful projects. I am so much excited to share my project with you. The features included in this application are 1. Multiple user support. 2. Password recovery. 3. Prevents the data redundancy, email and password, while saving into the file. 4. Data can be updated whenever necessary. 5. Data can be removed permanently. So let's get started for the demo. For demo, Zira will be helping me. Are you ready, Zira?
Yes, I am.
Let's get started. On the startup of application, login form appears. But, if a user is new, they have to sign up first. For sign up, details including username, password, PIN number, and phone number are required. Password confirmation has also been added for security reason.
Let us assign username as Noob-grammer. Password as 1234. Then confirm the password. PIN number as 123. And finally phone number as 11111. Then, press the sign up button.
Zira. Did you see a checkbox on the side of password box? That is for hiding and unhiding the password. After signing up, login form is showed. But, first, let's check what has been included in Forgot Password section. If a user forget password, user can recover the password, if and only if user remembers personal PIN number and a phone number.
We had assigned PIN number as 123 and phone number as 11111. Let's hit recover button. Vishal. Is this the password that we assigned?
Yeah, it is. So, as you can see, we have recovered the password. Then let's continue the login task.
So, the username was Noob-grammer and password as 1234.
Yeah. We have come to the home section. Here, 5 things can be done. Viewing, adding new, updating and removing the details. To switch to another user, simply we need to log out. First of all, will you click on the view button, Zira?
Sure. But there is noting.
Yeah, it is because we have added not a single detail. This means, let's add a new data.
Let's add then.
Sure.
I am filling. User 1 as username. User1@gmail.com as email address. And user 1 password as password. But Vishal, it is necessary to add recovery email address and a phone number?
No, these two are optional. If you leave them empty, null value will be assigned to them.
I got that.
Check out the view option.
Sure. These are the details I recently added. Right?
Yeah. It is. Try adding another details too. But this time assign any value to the phone number.
Wait a second. Let USCR2 be the username. User2@gmail.com be the email address. User2 password be the password. And this time I am assigning recover2 and USCR2 PHONE as recovery email address and phone number respectively. Now let me check the details. New details got added.
You forgot to ask me a question.
What?
I add a detail with same email address?
Maybe not.
You are not completely correct, as you can add a detail with same email address, but the password must be a different one.
I got that too. Can we update the existing details?
Obviously we can. Choose any detail you want to update.
Wait a moment. Let me choose the first one. Then,
Type only the detail you want to change.
Done.
Now, check out the details by choosing View.
I noticed the detail got updated that I chose to be updated. Now, I have 2 more questions left to ask you. The first one is, can I remove the details?
Yes, you can. You simply need to enter the email address and the password and then press remove.
I choose the second one.
That's fine. Now check out details.
Yeah. You're right, the detail got removed.
What's the second question?
What if my brother want to use this application but to save his passwords?
It's simple. Just press log out and let him sign up with his details and log in.
I found this application handy and reliable too.
Thank you, Miss Zira. To know more about the logics used in this application, check out the link in the description box. And thank you so much for watching the video. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. See you next time.